Press Shift and M to select the elliptical marquee tool. Set the feather to 100 pixels and drag and release. Now you've got your selection, you can fill it with a gradient. So press G on the keyboard, select a gradient, I'm going for this one, but you can select any of the gradients, set it to radial and also difference blending mode and apply multiple times. And you can create all kinds of colourful designs. And once you've done that, Command or Control C and then Command or Control V to paste it. And you can see now you've got another layer with that selection. Go to the background layer and delete it. Yes. Press Shift M to select the rectangular marquee tool and then select that area. Now you can define that as a pattern. So go to Edit and Define Pattern and that will be stored in the pattern presets in Photoshop. Click OK. Command or Control D to deselect and now go to Edit and Fill or use a shortcut. In there go for Contents, go for Pattern and select the pattern you've just created. Now I've got a variety of different patterns there. I'm just going to select this one. Once you've done that, go for Script, make certain that's on and Symmetry Fill. That's the bottom one and click OK. Now you can see you've got this design. Of course yours will probably be slightly different. Depends on the gradient. You can change the width, you can change the height. Now I'm going for here 81 and 84. Also I'm going for 1.25 and also dilative number 7. That's for the symmetry type. Colour randomness 0 and 0. Click OK. And that will fill the entire screen. Then create a new layer. You could of course create this on the same layer, perfectly reasonable, and use blending modes. But I'm going to go with layers. So layer, you can always go to layer and new and layer. Shift or Command or Control N. Click OK. Again, Edit and Fill. Use the same settings here and then click OK. But in here, change the settings. Instead of 81 and 84, I'm just going to change it, push it down to maybe 67, maybe go for 74 or push it up. You can vary it. 98. Click OK. It's applied again. Now, because you've got obviously multiple layers, you can blend them. And of course you could create 10 or 15 layers. Select the top layer and then just go up here to blending modes, run through those. Now you could go for overlay, soft light, pin light. I'm going to go with that one. Once you're happy with the design, you can always go to layer and flatten image. So it all becomes one single layer. Once you've created your design, you can always go to filter and distort, or maybe use any of the other filter effects, distort and wave. I'm going with number of generators, 1, also 74, 375, amplitude 1 and 98 for the max, 100%, 100%, wrap around and sign, and click OK. You can also randomize as well. You can then go to filter and wave and repeat it multiple times. You can of course then apply some adjustments. So go to image, adjustments, and maybe go for levels and just tweak it, the input levels, and click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated. And also please subscribe, always adding new videos all the time. Thank you much.